Let's learn about contrails. Contrails are white streaks of condensed water vapor left behind by airplanes. They form when hot engine exhaust mixes with the cold air at high altitudes. They can disappear quickly or persist for hours depending on humidity and wind conditions. Some people mistakenly believe contrails are harmful chemical sprays, but they are mostly ice crystals. Scientists study contrails because they can impact climate by trapping heat or reflecting sunlight. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.